Okay, so we're going to use two applications of Simpson's rule this time. We've done it with one application. We've done it with two applications, but we did two applications, one on the top, one on the bottom. This time, we're actually going to use two applications of Simpson's rule for the sole purpose of actually making it more accurate. Okay, so it's on the one area, and we could have actually done it with one application, but by doing it with two applications, we can make it more accurate. Now, yes, you could do it with 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 applications. I'm not going to ask you to do that now. We're going to do it with 2. Okay, first thing to do, we're using a formula. So what do you do first? Write down the formula, which is df 4dm. Excellent. Now, once again, we have to, because we're doing two applications, we're going to have 2 lots of df, 2 lots of dm, and 2 lots of dl. The heights will always be the same. So let's work out first what the heights are. What's the height we're going to use? 26.25. Which part don't you get? Yep. How many parts are there? We did it by 2 last time. And if you did it by 2, you'd actually get that distance there. You're halfway. Yep. So, but do you see why we're doing it by 4? Because instead of it splitting it into 2 bits, to do 2 applications, we're splitting into 4 bits. Cool? 25. 26.25. Okay. So now we're going to write things down that we know. What we're going to do is we're going to start with, and we're going to start with this section. Guys, no Panadol or Nurofen or anything in the class. Thank you. They are in the classroom. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. So we're going to start off with this one. Can you guys see that? Yes. All right. What's DF? 32. It's very important. DF is 32. DM, 31, 24. Okay, now before we actually solve it for this one, I just want to do the other one. I'm going to highlight it in vomit. Okay. Now, with this one, what's DF going to be? Very important. We've already used 24, but we can use it again because it's the last in that one, but it's the first in this one. Does that make sense? 29. Then 29, then 30. Okay. So now we'll go back up and we'll solve the previous one. So now we substitute in. What do we got? Well, how about we put 26.25 over 3 first? $32 plus 4 times 31 plus 24. It's not hard. You've got a formula. It's just when you're doing 2 applications and then things like that, it gets harder. Good. Excellent. The sine rule and all that. It's harder with them because you've got to know when to use it. You've got to know, like cosine rule, you've got to know that you need 2 sides and include an angle. So if you can't remember that, then it does make it hard. You got that one? Everyone happy with that? Okay. Then we go down to the bottom one. Oh, mate, that makes me feel good. My heart is full. My wife's coming home tonight, and I'll be able to give her an extra special tight cuddle and say, Jacob, he's enjoying it. She'll be stoked. She worries about you. Oh, okay, now there's beeping on the tractors. All right, next one. Okay, what do we got? This second one. Excellent, well done. Excellent. Excellent. They are all meters squared. I'm not bothering writing in the units at the moment. You can. That's fine. I'm going to write them at the end. Well, I haven't finished yet. What do we got to do? So what do we get? Well done. Very well done. 3062.5. Everyone happy with that?